there, I'm Dr. Ruchi Mishra Tiwari. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. Now my channel is devoted to English language, literature and research. Today I have taken up a topic in this video which is basically related to both Hindi literature as well as English literature. Now the students of English literature also study certain books which have been basically written into regional languages or basically written into Hindi language. So I have taken up a poem today by a very famous poet, and this poem I have taken one stanza of this poem and the translation has been done. I am going to explain the meaning of this, and the famous poet is Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Now Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji, as you all know, is the father of Amitabh Bachchan, is a very famous Hindi poet, and fortunately he was the colleague of my grandfather in Allahabad University. So he was basically a poet of Hindi, but Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji was a professor of English literature, and very few people know that. And he was a colleague of my grandfather. My grandfather was Mahesh Prasad Shukla ji, and after him only I have named my channel as Mahesh English Times as a tribute to my grandfather. So they were colleagues in Allahabad University's professors of English, and so all his poems are very, very significant, very close to life, and give very important messages which have profound meaning. So I have taken his poem Jo Beet Gayi So Baat Gayi, and one stanza of that poem, and the English translation will be there, and we will try to analyze that poem and the stanza of it. So let's see. So Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji's time period is from 1907 to 2003. He was a Hindi poet of Nai Kavita literary movement. In 1976 he got Padma Bhushan. His real name is Harivansh Rai Srivastava. Very few people know that. So actually Amitabh Bachchan is also Amitabh Srivastava. So his real name was Harivansh Rai Srivastava. Bachchan is his pen name. So when he started writing, he used the pen name as Bachchan. And his very famous poem is Madhushala. But the poem that I have taken up today is Jo Beet Gayi So Baat Gayi. So let's see the first stanza of this poem. जीवन में एक सितारा था, माना वह बेहद प्यारा था, वह डूब गया तो डूब गया, अंबर के आंगन को देखो, कितने इसके तारे टूटे, कितने इसके प्यारे छूटे, जो छूट गए फिर कहाँ मिले, पर बोलो टूटे तारों पर कब अंबर शोक मनाता है, जो बीत गई सो बात गई. Very meaningful and beautiful lines. So let's see the English translation of this particular stanza of the poem. There was a star in life. Agreed, it was much loved. When it sank, it did sink. Look at the sky's vastness. So many stars have broken away. So many loved ones it has lost. The lost ones, were they ever found again? But tell me, for the broken stars, does the sky ever grieve? That which is past is gone. So this is a very meaningful poem which has a profound meaning, and in one lines it can be summed up. Let bygones be bygones. So whatever has happened in your life, if you have lost an important relative, if you have lost your wealth, if you have lost your health, we should not keep on grieving over it. We should not keep on feeling sorry about it and be grudging about it. We should just let it be, move ahead in life and focus on your present. So when you look at the sky, you look at those stars which are present at that moment. You don't think about the stars which have fallen down or which have dissolved in this atmosphere, and even the sky is not bothered about it. And when we look at the sky, we are also not bothered. We only focus on the stars that we see right now. So similarly in our life, even if something important we have lost, we should not keep thinking over it. We should let it be and move ahead in life and focus on our present. Each and every human being has lost some or the other thing. They have gone through some or the other pain in their lives. And I remember there was a Buddhist story where Buddha, when a mother has lost her child and she goes to Buddha, and Buddha tells her that go and find one home where death has not occurred. So she could not find, because in every home death has happened. Somebody or the other has died. So every person has to go through their struggle, their pains, and they have lost something. Either they have lost some wealth, either they have lost a relative, either they have lost a relationship, they have lost money, they have lost reputation. Some or the other thing, loss or pain has been undergone by every human being. So keeping this in mind, we should adjust to it and we should accept that let it be. I have also lost something, but now I will move forward and focus on what I have. If I have lost a relative, I have money. I have other people to look after. If I have lost money, I have good health and I can again regain that money or wealth. I have loved ones around me. So if I have lost a loved one, then at least I have money to look after myself. At least I have good health that I can earn more money and form new relations. Of course, we should miss people who have gone. Of course, we should remember them as a fond remembrance. But we should not waste our time and energy, keep focusing on it and ignore our present. We have to focus on our present because that is going to decide our future. So let bygones be bygones. जो बीत गई सो बात गई. So with this important message, we will meet again with another video. Thank you so much for watching.